Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. Here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case 21 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. So if you want to check some further details, you can either tap inside this graph and you'll be transferred to the dashboard that will show you the screen time during specific days of the week. Under it you've got the list of the apps you've been using and the time you've spent on them. And the second option is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, camera, phone, just tap on it, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.